Welcome back, everyone. Determine the hybridization of each carbon atom and the magnitudes of all bond angles for the molecule butene. First of all, let's draw the structure. So what do we see? Well, essentially we see 4 carbon atoms. So let's go ahead and draw a 4-member chain. The first carbon atom has 3 hydrogen atoms attached to it. The second carbon atom is actually double bonded and has 1 hydrogen. The third carbon atom has 1 hydrogen, and the fourth one has 3 hydrogens. We're going to use a very simple trick. Let's recall that hybridization of carbon depends on the steric number. If the steric number is 2, hybridization is SP, S1P1, 1 plus 1 equals 2, right? If the steric number is 3, hybridization is SP2, S1P2. If the steric number is 4, hybridization is SP3, 1 plus 3, right? So in this case, what we're going to do is just analyze each carbon. Let's label them 1, 2, 3, and 4. Starting with carbon 1. How many bonds does it have? Well, it has 4 single bonds. So the steric number is 4. Those are the electron regions, individual electron regions. If the steric number is 4, then the hybridization is sp3. What about the bond angles? Well, essentially, if we include bond angles to the table, SP corresponds to linear geometry, 180 degrees, SP to trigonal planar geometry, 120 degrees, and now SP3 would be tetrahedral, 109.5 degrees. So in this case, an SP3 hybridized carbon would essentially correspond to the bond angles of 109.5 degrees. What about carbon 2? Well, what's the steric number? We have 2 single bonds and 1 double bond. So we have 3 different electron regions. So the steric number is 3, meaning hybridization is sp2. And the bond angle is expected to be 120 degrees because we are observing trigonal planar geometry. Carbon 3, nothing changes. The steric number is 3. Hybridization is sp2 and the bond angle is 120 degrees. Carbon 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, once again we have a steric number of 4. Hybridization would be sp3 as we know, and the bond angle ideally would be 109.5 degrees. So those would be our answers. Let's go ahead and label them. That would be it. Thank you for watching.